long is this gonna last? Are we done?
Say hi. So she is you are her favorite fairy.
Promise. Pixie promise. Pinky it. Do it.
Pinky, your pinky finger.
Okay, I don't know what you're doing here, but we're pinky promising that I'm your favorite fairy. Because if you go over there and tell her, you're obsessed. Tell her put Clarion on you. No, don't do that with that hand. Look over there, dear.
Hug చేసుకో.
Okay. We already did this. Okay. It's over.
Oh, I forgot to give this to you.
No, you're great. You're great.
Hi. No, it's over.
There you go.
Thank
guys.
you.
We'll fly right over here.
Why you should come this way?
Right over here. Right over here.
Tinkerbell.
Fly right on over to the blue pole for me.
Okay. There is Tinkerbell.
There we go.